Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about managing your YouTube subscription list. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. So open lang natin ang ating YouTube channel dito sa Chrome. And then once nandito na tayo sa ating YouTube channel, and next step kung paano ba natin i-manage yung subscription list natin. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito or i-select mo lang dito yung subscription. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung na-subscribe mo mga kaibigan, and then ito yung latest niya. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-manage, so dito lang sa top right corner, and then makikita mo dito yung manage, so i-click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung all subscriptions, and then dito naman sa taas ay makikita mo dito yung most relevant, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then pwede mo naman itong i-select yung new activity, or ito yung A to Z, from A to Z yung na-subscribe mo or na-subscription mga kaibigan, pwede naman itong i-manage. And then, next step ay pwede mo naman itong i-unsubscribe o subscribe. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan dito sa right side. Ayan, so pwede mong i-personalize none or unsubscribe dito. Okay? Ganito lang siya. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to manage your subscriptions on YouTube updated 2025. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.